Hi everybody, my name is Matt Brown. I'm the Warranty Program Manager here at Leatherman Tool. I'm here in our Portland facility where we repair our tools. Every tool we sell has a 25-year warranty, so I'm here to show you how to submit your tool if you need it for warranty repair. If you stick around, I'll show you how to get our extended 40-year warranty. Let's talk about what's covered in our warranty program. If you break an implement or your tool stops working, you can send it in and we'll fix or replace it to get you back on service. While we design our tool to last more than 25 years, we know life happens, we know things break. If your tool has trouble, send it in, we'll take care of it. So how do you send your tool into warranty? Let me show you. If you're in the US or Canada, simply go to leatherman.com, click on Help tab in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and select Warranty. From here, you'll click on Start Warranty and you'll fill out your online form. If you have a tool that has sentimental value to you, please make sure to select that option on the form and tell us what is sentimental to you. Once you're done, print out a copy and include it with your tool when you send it to our warranty department. A couple things to note. Make sure you ship only the multi-tool. You can keep the sheath and accessories with you. If you're in the Portland area, feel free to drop by our headquarters and drop your tool off in our lobby. Please allow 10 to 15 business days to complete your warranty. When your tool arrives in our warranty department, we will unpack your tool and log it into our system. Our repair technicians have over 150 years of experience, so your tool is in great hands. One of our technicians will review your tool and get to work. Once the repair is complete and the tool is inspected, we'll box it up and send it back to you. We hope this gives you a good idea of our warranty program. Pro tip, if you want a 40-year warranty, sign up for our Insider program. For more info on the Insider program and the Leatherman warranty, go to leatherman.com.